Happy Friday. I am Lana Hill. If you have been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, this is HISD Now, your quick daily update with district and campus highlights, plus important announcements, all right here on YouTube. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a story. It is Friday, September 5th. Let's get into it. HISD Now has been at Furr High School all this week for our campus close-up. Furr is a B-rated school with its eyes on that A for next year, and this year's motto says it all: protect the brand. Principal Tamara Walker tells us that means protecting the school's gains, its reputation, and being strong community members on and off campus. Teachers say they love the support they get, and students feel the same. We even spoke to 3 seniors in the dual credit program who are getting a jump start on college while still in high school. Today's news story from Furr is all about their agriculture program, which is part of the school's CTE program. And the teacher leading it is helping students learn about planting and farming, all while building something bigger, a living legacy. The school's vast garden built entirely by past and current students.
We get our students connected in sustainable practices. How do we design a garden that could withstand all the elements, from the harsh freezes to the extreme drought? And this is evidence, from flooding. And this is prime evidence of that it is doable. This is the exemplar how we show our students that the kids before you set this, but now you're managing it.
You can watch that story right now on the YouTube channel. And be sure to catch all of our other Furr coverage in this campus close-up playlist. Just look for the one labeled Furr High School. And next week, we are heading to Lawson Middle School. We spoke with the principal about the amazing things happening there, and we'll be sharing those stories with you right here on HISD Now. So again, be sure you're subscribed. Also, the Houston Chronicle just highlighted the growing role of apprenticeships across Harris County and how HISD students are getting hands-on exposure to real career paths. That is what this week's For the Record is all about. Go check it out. It is also up on the channel right now. Another reminder for families, Volunteer in Public Schools, or VIPS, is back. It's a new school year and a great time to get involved with your campus. Sign up to support your students and communities directly. You will find the link in our Instagram bio and on our YouTube in the description of this video right now. And finally, it's Friday Night Lights. Football games are happening tonight across HISD. Check out the full schedule at houstonisd.org under athletics. And good luck to all of our incredible student athletes. Go show that school spirit. Well, that is it for today's update. Thank you for watching HISD Now. I am Lana Hill, and we will see you next week.